Your weight loss journey starts now. Ready to feel amazing? Want more energy? Gym workouts are your ticket to success. They help you lose weight and get healthy. Let's do this. This guide is your roadmap to a healthier you. We'll break down simple steps to reach your weight loss goals. Get ready to sweat, get strong, and feel incredible. Remember, this is your journey. Listen to your body, challenge yourself, and celebrate your progress. Before every workout, warm up your muscles. This prevents injuries. It also prepares your body for action. Think of it like stretching a rubber band before you use it. A warm-up gets your blood flowing and your muscles ready. Some great warm-up exercises include arm circles. Make small circles with your arms forward and backward. Leg swings. Swing your legs back and forth like a pendulum. Jumping jacks. A classic way to get your heart rate up. Cardio is key for burning calories and shedding pounds. It gets your heart pumping and your body moving. Think of activities that make you slightly out of breath. You should be able to talk, but not sing. Here are some awesome cardio options. Treadmill. Walk, jog, or run your way to fitness. Elliptical. This low-impact machine is great for your joints. Cycling. Indoor cycling classes are a fun and effective workout. Want to build lean muscle? That's where strength training comes in. It helps you burn more calories even at rest. Don't be afraid to lift weights. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase. Here are some strength training must-dos: squats. Work your legs and glutes. Push-ups. Strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lunges. Target your legs and core. Short on time? High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is your new best friend. It combines bursts of intense exercise with short rest periods. HIIT is like a turbocharged workout. It boosts your metabolism and helps you burn fat quickly. Try these HIIT exercises. Burpees, a full-body exercise that gets your heart racing. Mountain climbers, which are like running in place with your hands on the floor. And jump squats, where you add a powerful jump to your squats. Here's a sample workout routine to get you started. For your warm-up, spend 5 minutes doing arm circles, leg swings, and jumping jacks. Move on to 20 minutes of cardio with treadmill jogging. For strength training, do squats with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, push-ups with 3 sets of as many reps as possible, and lunges with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Finally, cool down for 5 minutes with some stretching. Staying motivated is key to reaching your goals. Find what inspires you and keep it front and center. Think about why you started this journey and visualize yourself achieving your goals. Here are some motivation boosters. Find a workout buddy, as having someone to exercise with can keep you accountable. Reward yourself by celebrating your milestones with non-food rewards, like a new workout outfit or a massage. And track your progress, because seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Setting realistic goals, small steps, big wins. It's important to start with a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Write down your goals, no matter how small they may seem. This will give you a roadmap to follow and help you stay focused. Don't try to do too much too soon. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you set your sights too high right from the start. Remember, progress is a marathon, not a sprint. Trying to lift heavy weights or doing intense workouts without proper preparation can lead to burnout or injury. Set achievable goals that you can build on. Start with something manageable, like a 10-minute walk or a few push-ups. As you achieve these smaller goals, you'll build confidence and momentum. Your fitness journey is a series of small victories that lead to big wins. Small changes add up to big results. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how minor it may seem. These celebrations will keep you motivated and remind you of how far you've come. A smile after a workout or a high five from a friend can make a big difference. Instead of aiming to lose 10 pounds in a week, focus on losing 1 to 2 pounds. This approach is more sustainable and healthier for your body. Track your progress in a journal to see how your small efforts are paying off over time. Here's how to set yourself up for success. Start slowly. Begin with exercises that are easy to perform and gradually increase the intensity. This will help you build a strong foundation and reduce the risk of injury. If you're new to exercise, begin with a few short workouts per week. Listen to your body. It's important to pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your routine accordingly. Stretching before and after workouts can help prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Rest when you need it and don't push yourself too hard. Celebrate your wins. Rest days are crucial for recovery and preventing burnout. Take time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for your hard work. Acknowledge and appreciate your achievements along the way. Use tools like fitness apps to track your progress and visualize your journey. Seeing your improvements can be incredibly motivating and help you stay committed to your goals. Cool down for a happy body. It's an essential part of any workout routine that often gets overlooked. Many people focus on the intensity of their workouts, but forget the importance of cooling down. After your workout, cool down with some light stretches. This phase is crucial for your overall well-being and helps your body transition from high activity to a state of rest. This helps your heart rate return to normal and prevents muscle soreness. When you gradually reduce the intensity of your exercise, your heart rate and breathing slow down, which helps in the recovery process. Think of it as giving your body a well-deserved thank you. Your muscles have worked hard, and they deserve some gentle care to help them recover and rebuild stronger. Stretching improves flexibility and reduces the risk of injury. By maintaining and improving your flexibility, you can perform exercises more effectively and with better form, which reduces the likelihood of strains and sprains. Some effective cool-down stretches include hamstring stretch. This stretch targets the muscles at the back of your thighs, which can become tight after a workout. Sit on the floor with your legs extended and reach for your toes. Hold this position for about 20-30 seconds to allow the muscles to lengthen and relax. Quadriceps stretch. Stand upright and gently pull your heel towards your glutes. This stretch focuses on the front of your thighs, helping to release any tension built up during your workout. Hold for 20-30 seconds on each leg. Butterfly stretch. Sit with the soles of your feet together and gently press your knees down. This stretch is excellent for opening up your hips and inner thighs, areas that can often become tight from various exercises. Hold this stretch for 20-30 seconds, breathing deeply to enhance relaxation. Incorporate deep breathing exercises into your cool-down routine. Deep breathing helps to calm your nervous system and promotes relaxation. Lie down on a mat, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths, focusing on the rise and fall of your chest. Don't forget to hydrate. Drinking water after your workout helps to replenish the fluids lost through sweat and supports muscle recovery. Aim to drink at least 16-20 ounces of water within an hour after exercising. Consider using a foam roller. Foam rolling can help to release muscle tightness and improve blood flow to the muscles, aiding in recovery. Spend a few minutes rolling out any tight or sore areas, focusing on your legs, back, and any other areas that feel tense. A proper cool-down routine leaves you feeling relaxed and satisfied. It's a moment to reflect on your workout, appreciate your efforts, and prepare your body for the next session. Remember, a happy body is a healthy body, and cooling down is a key part of that happiness. Consistency is key. Make fitness a lifestyle. It's not just about hitting the gym once in a while or going on a diet for a few weeks. It's about integrating physical activity into your daily routine and making it a permanent part of your life. The key to lasting weight loss and overall health is making fitness a part of your life, not just a temporary fix. This means finding ways to be active every day, whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking or biking to work, or even doing a quick workout during your lunch break. Consistency is more important than intensity. It's better to do moderate exercise regularly than to have occasional intense workouts that leave you exhausted and sore. Regular, consistent exercise helps build endurance, strength, and flexibility over time. It's better to exercise regularly than to have occasional intense workouts. This way, you can avoid burnout and injury, and you'll be more likely to stick with your fitness routine in the long run. Here's how to make fitness a habit. Schedule your workouts. Just like you would schedule a meeting or a doctor's appointment, put your workouts on your calendar and treat them as non-negotiable. Treat them like important appointments you can't miss. Find activities you enjoy. If you enjoy what you're doing, you're more likely to stick with it. Whether it's yoga, cycling, hiking, or playing a sport, find something that makes you look forward to being active. If you don't like running, try swimming or dancing. There are so many different ways to be active, so don't be afraid to try new things until you find what you love. Be patient with yourself and give yourself time to adjust to your new routine. Results take time, but they are worth the effort. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing yourself to be the best version of you. With consistency and dedication, you'll see the results you want and make fitness a lasting part of your life. You've got this. Embrace your transformation. You have the power to transform your body and your life. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and watch amazing things happen. Remember, you are capable of anything you set your mind to. Embrace the journey, celebrate your successes, and never give up on yourself. You've got this. Now go out there and rock your fitness journey.